everyone, welcome back to the Creative Studio. So on this one we are going to be using the pop tabs, and couldn't figure out which style I wanted to do, so you know what, we're just going to go ahead and do 3 different styles with this one. So first I have little piles of just these colored ones. On them they all say some version of hi or hello or something. This is a mix of colored and silvers. And then we're just going to do some silver ones. And I'm going to set this with a little bit of pigment in the resin. Yeah, I don't know which way is going to look better. They might all look really cool. So we're just going to play around today and see what we can do. So, resin is in the warm bath, and go ahead and grab that out and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is mix up 4 ounces of resin total, and I'm going to do these ones, the colored ones with the words on them. Our resin is warmed up, so it is a thinner solution now, so it should be able to seep in better. With the vacuum chamber it should pull out all the air and replace it with the resin, and we shouldn't have issues. So shouldn't, we'll see. Alright, so 4 ounces, and let's get started. This one actually doesn't say anything on it. It's just a red tab. Alright, so I'm gonna, change that one out for a different red one. Hopefully with no issues. Heyo! Alright, so now flip all these over. Want them looking up. Good thing is I have 40 minutes working time with this resin, so I have time to play around like this. There's those ones. Hit it with the heat. Alright, on to the next. Alright, so we're going to mix up another 4 ounces and add in a whole bunch of different colors. Finally, we're going to go ahead and do just the aluminum tabs, the plain ones, and we're going to set them in this pigment. This is Black Diamond Emerald Green pearlescent pigment. So, another 4 ounces, vacuum chamber, adding the pigment. Let's do this. Alright, there you have it. They are all poured and ready to sit for the 24 hours. We'll come back and see how they look. Are you a uniform kind of person where symmetry is important? Order, or do you like chaos? Leave a comment below which one do you prefer, or maybe you like a little color in your life. I'll be back in 24 hours and we'll see how these look. So it's been 24 hours. Let's see how these came out. So first off, I can see that this one is like ripply, and same with these ones. These are nice and smooth. So let's go ahead and pop these out. So there's that. That's really neat. That's the bottom. I like those. Next ones is our chaotic ones. So these ones you can do in either way. I can leave that as the top and just, smooth out this edge, or flip it over and have that. And last, the color one. Oh yeah, look at that. So definitely this is the top of it. That way you get all of them, because they do sink. So that is really neat. Look at that. Absolutely amazing looking in there. So to finish these up, these ones, I'll just take down that little sharp edge there a little bit, put cork on the back, and then that's it, and those are good. These ones, think I'm going to have the top and just put the cork on the back, sand this down just a little bit with the Dremel, and same with those. And I'm curious what the cork is going to look like. I like them clear, which you can have, but if I do the cork, which looks good, but I like the clear look, so I'll figure out something else for those. Alright, so now that they're finished, which ones do you like? The silver and the emerald green? Or did you like the colored ones with the silver in just a dump pile sort of thing? Just however they land, that's it. Or did you like the design look, the simple, clear design? Which style are you? Leave a comment below, let me know which one you like. And I hope you enjoyed this. You got to see 3 different ways of doing pop tops and 3 different finishing methods with the upside down pour, the cork on the back, which would have been the top of it like that. This one where the bottom of it was the actual bottom and the top of the pour is the actual top, and how to finish it off, smooth out the edge, that sort of thing, so it's not sharp. Or same way, but just no cork on the back, leaving it clear, which is a neat look as well. You could also get the little clear rubber feet, which I think I'm going to, and put them on it, hide them underneath the tops, the pop tops. I don't have any right now, so I'm going to go pick some up. But I don't like my resin coaster sitting flat on the tabletop. If something gets underneath of it, it can scratch them, scratch your table, that sort of thing. So I'm going to go pick up those little clear feet. But yeah, let me know which style you like. Are you organized? Are you chaotic? Or do you like simple color? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like and consider subscribing. And I'll see you next time. Bye.